What's going on? Welcome back. So you want to build your own pedal board, huh? Well, there are many ways to configure a pedal board, but there's only one right way. Today, I'm going to teach you the Marcella method for putting together a pedal board. Stay tuned to learn you something. The world of guitar pedals is a long, windy, huge, jumbled mess if you're a beginner. You got distortion, tremolo, you got phaser, you got boost, you got the wah, volume, tremolo, flanger, fuzz, delay, reverb, looping pedals, octave pedals, overdrive, compressors. I'm going to help you navigate this windy, wild world of guitar pedals. So with all that out of the way, let's get started. Alright, step 1 to building a pedal board. You need a board. This is my own homemade pedal board. It's 2 pieces of wood I painted black with spray paint and 2 screws. It's pretty easy. It's 2 boards screwed together with a hole right here so wires can go in neatly or however neat you like. If you want to go just buy one off of Amazon, you can. It's pricey. It's like $80. I wouldn't recommend it. This is way more fun to make and is cheaper. Now that you have your board, now you need your pedals. Guitar pedals come in 4 different categories, okay? So the pedals and the order of these pedals is what's going to be known as your signal chain. The signal chain is just from where the guitar goes into the first pedal, through all the pedals, then to the amp. Now the signal chain order is very important, so that's why we have these categories or classifications of pedals. Your first class of pedal is your dynamic pedals, okay? So you got your wahs, volume pedals, and pitch shifters, all kind of go into this dynamics category. So your next classification is going to be gain effects, which is your overdrive, your distortion, your fuzz. All 3 fall into this category. Next, you have your modulation, which is your chorus, your phaser, your flanger effects. That also goes into this modulation category. And finally, you have your time-based effects, which is usually reverb or delay. Both fall into this category. 2 more things you will need. Some double-sided tape, and this is poster strips, which I hope is like double-sided tape. Dollar General didn't have double-sided tape that I've used before, so we're using poster strips. I recommend double-sided tape. The last thing you'll need is a power supply. You can get one off of Amazon for about $30. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our pedals and we're going to start from this side, this bottom right hand side. So I'm going to put we're just going to put the pedals kind of there just to get a sense of where we're going to put them. Now I have all the pedals in one place. They're just there, they're just sitting there. They're not planted down yet with the double-sided tape. We're gonna figure out where we want our power supply to go, okay? Okay, so now we have our power supply right there. I put it right here because there's no plug to power it up on this side for here. They're both on the side right here. So now I'm going to put the double-sided tape on the backs of these, put them down, then we're going to put the wires in them. So now all of the pedals have been taped up So now I'm going to put the power supply, connect the power supply, and connect all the pedals. Okay, so now it's all wired up. It's all got the requisite wires. So let's plug it up, see if it's working. All the pedals work. Okay, so we have the power supply is plugged in. We have a cord going right into our trusty dusty guitar. It's going into the pedal board. Whoa, it's going into the pedal board through all these. They're all plugged up. And it's going out, whoa, into the amp. There we go. So, and it all works. The wall works. Whoa. Alright, there you go. Hopefully you have a awesome pedal board working for you. I hope you start jamming out with it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Thank you.